Welcome to Finish the Story. Today, I'm going to improv 4 different story starters for you and invite you to finish the story. Let's start by choosing a story prompt from my basket. Today, our prompt is No one ever saw her or him again after they left the spa.
Okay, let's get these story sparks started. I'm going to improv 4 different ideas, 4 different directions we could take a story about someone who goes to a spa and then disappears. So let's start with a character and let's call her Alexi. Alexi had just gotten her fingernails done. She was thrilled with how sharp they were. Sometimes she had to go home and sharpen them a bit more herself. But her nail tech today had been eager to please, and the $100 tip, had been well worth it. Now let's take another direction for the story. Let's improv another idea here, and let's go with Henry. We can say this could be she or he. Henry had just finished his daily swim at the spa. It was one of the perks of being a manager of the winery hotel. He was walking back to his cabin when he heard a noise behind him. He stopped, but it was nothing, or so he thought. ... We could take this in another direction. So let's say our next character that we have over here is, let's call her Tammy. Tammy had gotten a gift card to the spa. A gift from her students after a long year of teaching. The relaxation was well worth it as she sipped her cocktail by the pool. She noticed that the woman sitting next to her looked quite familiar. Mrs. Jones she asked. Dot, dot, dot. And let's round this up with one more concept. And let's say that we have Andrew. Andrew didn't ever go to the spa, but this new girl he was dating insisted it would be so fun. When he got there, he found out that she'd booked them all kinds of experiences without asking him first. Really? A mud bath? Dot, dot, dot.